Hello guys. So today I'm gonna do a video that has been pending for a very long time. I uploaded my Jabra Elite 65T review almost a year back. So due to some issues I couldn't do my comparison of that at that time. But the issue was that my headphone got damaged in between. Obviously I got it replaced. It was under 2-year warranty, and after that also I got busy with work. So I thought now it's the time I'll do the comparison between the Jabra Elite 65T mic, this mic in noisy and like normal environment. So you can just judge. If you want to see the full review, I'll just link it down. So without further delays, let's get into the video. Recording this audio using Jabra Elite 65T mic in a quiet environment without any kind of noise. Recording this audio using external mic without noise. Recording this audio using Jabra Elite 65T with some kind of noise, external noise turned on. Recording this audio using external microphone with fan noise. So I hope you got a better idea about the mic quality of this. If you did, please do hit like, subscribe, and do comment your suggestions. And let's see you in my next video.